Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Glide for real-time dashboards, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Glide website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to open the sign up page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you're new to Glide, scroll down to find the option to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Glide. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Glide website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Dashboard section. In the Dashboard section, click on New Dashboard to create your first project. You will be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Select the option that best fits your needs. After selecting, customize your dashboard by adding components relevant to your data. Once satisfied with your design, locate the Settings menu. In the Settings, you'll find the subscription options. Choose the plan that best suits your requirements. Enter your payment details to complete the subscription process. Once payment is confirmed, your subscription will be activated. You can now access real-time dashboards for your projects. Take a moment to explore the features available in your new dashboard. That wraps up the process for subscribing to Glide for real-time dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.